A single untraceable payment or misclassified receipt leads to compounding errors in the ledger. These mistakes skew tax liabilities, delay mandatory audits, and obscure cash flow shortages until they are too late to address. Since 1998, Hinawi ERP has provided a structured environment to manage these operational risks, delivering fully integrated control in both Arabic and English. This is the advanced search window. It is designed for precise data extraction, allowing you to combine multiple filters to isolate one specific transaction out of a dataset containing thousands. Mastering these queries ensures that every transaction remains visible and auditable. By utilizing these filters, you can identify ledger discrepancies before they compromise the integrity of your financial reporting. Pulling broad datasets increases the risk of oversight. To maintain focus, you must establish strict core parameters before executing the search. First, set temporal boundaries using the Date dropdown or From and To fields. Next, establish financial parameters with the Amount dropdown. Catch anomalies using the Reference Number, Memo, and Status filters. Finally, the Reset button clears all active filters for a new search. Enforcing these strict initial boundaries prevents the retrieval of irrelevant data, ensuring that your final reports are based only on the specific parameters you require. Failing to isolate the precise financial origin of a transaction forces an auditor to manually check unrelated accounts, leading to significant delays in reconciliation. The chart of accounts hierarchy lets you isolate specific targets like cash main or credit card accounts. You can also isolate functional areas in the module name panel and refine selections further by choosing workflow classifications like payments or collections in the category list. Because Hinawi ERP is fully integrated, these combined filters allow for comprehensive oversight across all departmental modules. Pinpointing the exact module and account ensures the search results are architecturally sound and relevant to the specific audit objective. Lacking strict control over transaction types leaves an entire organization dangerously susceptible to hidden double payments or completely unrecorded liabilities. Use the Transaction Type panel to lock down actions like cash payments. Be precise with checkboxes. Unchecked boxes exclude irrelevant data. Apply constraints in the Item panel to trace specific assets, then group these actions using broader classifications in the Class panel. Explicitly defining both the action and the asset ensures that daily workflows remain transparent and that all audit trails are complete. Establishing accountability requires auditing the specific people and locations tied to every financial record in the ledger. Track internal authorization by selecting entries in the Department panel, then narrow down to a specific staff member in the Employee panel. For external tracking, select specific entities in the Customer and Vendor panels and filter spatial origins using the Unit Number panel. Mapping the who and where for every transaction ensures that vendor payments and departmental spending are fully documented and traceable. With your parameters configured, you can now execute the search. Click the OK button to retrieve the filtered data or Cancel to exit the search window. Successfully combining these variables ensures that even the most specific records remain traceable, allowing for rapid retrieval during an audit or internal review. This level of detail and retrieval is supported by Hinawi ERP's legacy of serving businesses in Arabic and English since 1998. You now have a complete method for navigating your general ledger. By applying these filters, you ensure your financial data is organized, traceable, and instantly accessible.